Hi, I'm Juanita, a customer care specialist at Medical Guardian, and I'm here to walk you through your quick and easy setup process. Your Active Guardian package includes everything you need to install your device so that your system is ready to use in no time. Let's get started. First, select a location for the charging cradle. The charging cradle can be placed anywhere in your home, but when setting up your device, we recommend placing it near a window for quicker activation. Next, plug the power cord into an electrical outlet. Make sure that the outlet is not controlled by a light switch so that you don't have to worry about accidentally turning off the charging cradle. You'll know for sure that the charging cradle is receiving power when the LED light on the front is illuminated. Now all you have to do is charge your device. Once you place the device into a charging cradle, the red battery light will flash to show that it's charging. After about 3 hours, the red light will remain solid, meaning that your device is fully charged.